A Coggle introduction, the 2 things to know about Coggle, plus 1 extra thing that I'm going to add at the end. Okay, so this is video 2 of the Coggle tutorial series. Remember, the link to the entire playlist is in the description below this video. Okay, so the first thing to know is that the Coggle mind mapping tool actually works via a browser, so there's nothing to install on your computer. This means it's super lightweight. There isn't a big program on your computer eating up system resources. All the processing in fact happens in the backend on the Coggle servers. Another handy benefit of working on your mind maps via a browser is that you can access your mind maps from any device. You simply log on and you have access to all your mind maps. Now, when it comes to browsers, Coggle works with Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and the latest version of Internet Explorer. So they cater to all the major browsers. Now, the second thing to know is that when it comes to actually using the tool, you'll need to have a Google account or a Microsoft account. You'll need those to log into the tool if you're using the free plan, as you'll see when we get started in one of the upcoming videos in this series. And the extra thing that I wanted to add is that Coggle is also an app. You can get the Coggle app for iOS from the App Store, or you can get the Coggle app for Android from Google Play. In the next video, which you can now see on your screen, we'll talk about the Coggle plans and the one that we're going to choose for this video series. So click the video and I'll see you there in a moment.